Okay.
Big
Oh,
present.
Steven, what day is it? Peter, what day is it?
I got the big present. Okay, stop saying.
Okay.
Hey, come on, Mom. I want to open my big present. Opening my big present now. Come, hold it.
Not too loud, okay, Peter?
It's on. Whoa. Scooters. Oh, I get to use it too. No, you don't. Yeah.
I thought we talked about sharing this year.
Oh. You can use it sometimes, but you have to ask. Yep, it's closed.
We'll open it up and see. Closed? Santa doesn't normally be closed, does he?
Here. Yep, that's right. It's closed. Here.
Let's see that. What is it?
It's the Vancouver Canucks.
You got a what?
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Nobody gets a Vancouver Canucks jersey.
Boards and Lays.
That's too nice.
You know what the cool thing is now?
Huh.
The logo's nice. Now, they're not really ugly shirts anymore.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice, Steven.
Oh, Steven.
Computer game.
How is it?
Is that one yours?
What is
Who's
it?
that from?
Panda.
The game? No, it's
No,
not.
it's from Fred. Is it for both of us? No. From
Is that what you always wanted, Steven?
to Peter.
Vancouver Canucks jersey?
That's what you wished for.
Is that what you asked for Christmas?
Did you ask for the scooter in your letter, Peter?
A ski racer that asked for a Vancouver Canucks jersey. Now that's original. Right, Steven?
Yep.
You didn't ask for a scooter?
No.
But you sure been talking about it a lot. You must have big ears, too. Look at this paper out of the way so you don't see stuff.
Cool. Wait.
What is that? Oh, the CD.
Yeah, computer game. Looks like a Nintendo game. Skateboarding and rollerblading game.
Oh, that's cool. Right up your alley.
Cool.
Where are those from?
They're from Grand Broncos.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just put Thank you. Hey!
For somebody else. What's that? Is that even for you?
To Peter.
Oh.
Oh, it's one of those extendable shovels. Thank you.
You're welcome.
He thought he was going to get a shovel for the yard.
You come help me shovel the driveway, honey.
Another model.
Another model? You don't like those, do you? Oh, what's this one?
Oh no, you have a little screwdriver that
Is it the same as that other one?
Yeah, I think so.
What about the hubcaps there for the wheels?
Cool. I like these pants.
There's 8 of them.
Two cool pants. Two pants.
How
I
do you
got
get
the same one.
something for Daddy to open?
Okay. This one's for you, Dad. This one's for Dad.
Okay, watch out, there's coffee right there. Let me move it.
Thanks, dude. Who wants to videotape me?
Okay, I will.
There.
Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
You could have used that a couple
Good
weeks
morning,
ago when your
everyone.
bindings fell off.
Yeah.
And who was that from?
Open the present.
Peter, who was that from?
Oh,
Peter.
just what I needed.
What is it?
Now I gotta wait. I'll make your skis go fast.
How much should be wide enough for the board?
Okay, bye-bye.
We're back, huh?
Mom, you will like this.
Oh, is this from you?
Yeah. I even wrote on it.
Yes, you did. Who did the beautiful wrapping job?
Me and Dad and Peter.
So is this from just you or is this from Peter as well?
That's for me. That's from me. It's from February.
Ooh, one of my favorite stores.
The most of February.
Even this one too? Oh, that's heavy.
Find out what's inside.
Paper, more wrapping.
Good job, Steven. Make sure she can't find the gift.
Can't get it out.
Go back to that. It's really delicate. No, it's not that delicate. Well, not really. Find them all over.
Oh, nice.
And now open the white one. No,
Oh, come here, come here. Just a minute. Come
No?
No, that one's still part of it.
Tell mommy what to do with that rock.
Oh, it's gold! What's that?
Tell mommy what to do with that rock, Stephen.
What do I do with the rock?
We're gonna open this one.
Oh, it's gonna bring them back.
I'm gonna
It's a
open
symbol for joy. Hold on.
What do I do with the rock?
No, you can put it either side. You didn't notice that there was a design on both sides.
Oh, pretty.
And this, Caroline bought the same camera. Oh no, not the
And
same.
she got a star plate. Or a snowflake.
Thank
You, Stephen.
They gave us bags and more bags.
So what do I do with the rock, Stephen?
This is to all of us from Mom. Duckets! Duckets!
Who's that
This
from?
is
Mom,
Okay.
Mom, this is from you to me, Peter, and Dad. Dad should open it.
Stephen, you haven't told me what do I do with the rock.
I have no idea what you should do with it.
Oh.
Still filming.
But don't throw it out.
Oh no, I won't throw it out.
Open it, Dad.
Still filming.
Okay.
All right.
Can I help?
That's cool.
Okay, you open it in. To everybody. Whoa, game.
What
Great.
is it?
Canada. Canadian
New
version of Brain
edition.
Quest. All right.
New edition.
Let's play.
No thanks. Not yet.
I should send that down south. See if the Americans know any Canadian stuff. Brian, you gotta take that blue
This is to
tissue,
me.
that blue paper off the sofa.
This is to me.
Brian.
This is to me.
Brian,
I know.
That's
I've got to go off the sofa.
Holy cow. A hockey helmet.
A hockey
Did you need that?
Yeah. Now you don't have to buy me a hockey helmet.
We did. That's from Mommy and Daddy and
Oh.
Steve and Peter.
I never knew that.
Oh, what's this? Make amazing toys and toy and game gadgets. Oh, that's cool. That's right up your alley, Peter. You see what you do with this?
He's busy with Magnet Lab.
Did you take a look through this, Peter?
Yeah.
That is cool.
Whoa. This is going to provide some scooter.
Those staples are really sharp when you pull them up. You have to
Oh,
watch
Peter,
them.
Peter, let's just wait for now. Just says Laura. Okay.
I didn't see it. I guess it's for you. No, this is for you, I guess.
Okay, this is from Grandma and Grandpa. I bought it so that I know who it's from.
Would it be any different than that?
From Dustin.
Huh?
Here's a present from Dustin. 18
Teapot to match the dishes.
Yeah, perfect.
It doesn't have a teapot that's big enough to serve more than one person.
Reggie woman.
Stephen,
Yeah?
there's a coffee cup right there by your feet.
Peter, no metal on the wood. Peter, no metal on the wood.
First one,
At the front is the fifth one. Holy cow!
there's, a keychain, those little puzzle ones. Cool. This is gonna pay what they want from here.
Is his store?
Yeah. He didn't have any big ones anyway. He said, oh, that's what smells. Boy, how do you guys know I like candles?
Your dad loves Peter, Stephen, and Mom.
Hello, they told us. There was a whole bunch of things there.
Who's they?
And your name?
Wow.
Whoa, what is it?
It's a new vice.
Hopefully, we
Dodo!
tried the one.
No, that's a cool scooter. Let's see the wheels. Oh, they have tracks. What? There's Dad with the brake thingamabob.
Brake thingamabob.
Mm.
Hold on, Peter. One sec. Hold on. This wheel is not turning at all. Does the brake go on the inside or on the outside?
No, Mom, put it back. Top Teen Undie Poncy.
Dad, how do you get this off?
I don't know.
It's instructions.
So what's the matter there, sweetie? And what are you comparing it to? Mountain bike?
Huh? Oh, the scooter. So, wait, hold on. Where's the brakes on that thing?
You have to go downstairs and get the black toolbox. Okay?
Just in back from my
Right with ya.
You need the big pliers for this, and you need the big pressure wrench for this. Okay? And the black toolbox. We'll have it started out.
Don't hit me. Where are you? That didn't get out of the film.
Just leave me alone, you little stinking dinky little brat.
Hey, I was he.
Leave me alone, you stinking.
Where's the...
Kitty, wake up. Hey, Kitty. What you doing today? Having a rest?
Not opening.
Just do a little bit more losing what you're doing than just about doing.
Whoa.
Loosen this.
Jail.
Hold there. Keep it off. Easy to wreck something.
Whoa, look at that decoration.
Really loosen it. Slide her down as far as you can. That's all stuff like that. There you go. Yeah, I got that. And you can set it wherever height you need it to be.
Let him. Oh.
Because when you're standing, you need a certain height, right? You know that.
Jonathan too.
Okay. Push it down in a bit, okay? There. Tighten. You're loosening.
Whoa, look at all that junk on the ground.
Right. Come on, show her.
world would be
That's fine.
inside. Which one of the songs for her?
Push it.
Peter,
Push
doesn't want
it.
to.
Like, who are all these people staring at me? I'm just trying to play here. Hi, Nan.
Hey, this is like at the hockey game. You need your jersey.
She's smiling at you. She's wiggling her head. She was still really tired when I got her up, but her nose was all so she couldn't breathe, so she started.
Diamond that
Yeah, still all cloggy. Okay, let's sit down so it's better for her.
I did find mine, but
You want to wait?
We're gonna open it. We're gonna look in it.
oh,
I got
it's still
stuck in
stuck.
stuff.
That's all yours.
This is all yours right
Hey,
here.
Peter, show me what you got.
Sweet.
Peter, look what I got.
See,
Here,
when
Peter, show me so I
we
can
were
get
kids,
your
we had to make
Well,
our
you
own
gotta
folding
look
boards.
at me.
We didn't have any wheels or trucks.
When we were kids, we didn't have anything like that. things change, eh? Kids' toys get better and better, and they're more durable now. Except for Toro.
Yeah, we would love that. We used to go in skateboard magazines and cut out the designs,
Oh.
and then we
Okay,
glue
you
like
ready? Hold on, so I
some
can
cardboard like a real skateboard, make it like fly,
Oh.
cut it out, and then put wheels.
You stand up?
Who's that? Looks like Tony Hawk. Is it?
No, it is. Rob Dyer.
Rob
There's someone underneath the stairs.
Skate for PC.
No, those are my mom.
Can you see the package?
You can't really read it. You have to have both of those.
Look at the back of it. There's stuff on the back.
Can we? Is that your tractor?
You can open it.
Oh, this one. This is yours
Come on,
too.
let's open it.
Is this your fleece, Peter?
Yeah.
I'm just starting it.
He's got a lot of things going on here, Stephen.
Nice.
You can put your finger in there and pull.
Who's that?
Peter's, but in the next year I'll be stealing his stuff. It'll fit me.
You won't have to give it away, huh?
Oh, you better open that.
He
Oh.
likes to
Peter.
big anyway.
Peter.
Huh? Oh.
Who is it?
Oh,
nice, honey.
that's from
That's it.
Grandpa Fred.
Read
Oh,
to
You
Brian
on television?
from Teresa and Jane's dad.
From Home Hardware. And I saw them on TV and went, finally!
Can you videotape?
A little bit for you if you
got
want.
like 3 or 4 of them, or, you know.
What happened to your nose,
Keegan?
Keegan?
Because you have to unscrew the top and dump them out, and you take them and you leave them somewhere.
You open.
And everybody
Can
here,
you
there's no
videotape?
bits left.
Mom, do you know?
Yeah, what's that big present, Grandpa?
That's the only big present,
It's a grinder.
Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Look at that.
The battle for space in the basement continues, okay?
I'll take this to the lake on my new garage.
He's the Far Side cartoon.
What did Dad get?
Far Side cartoons. That's mandatory.
Dad,
James?
I got it back.
Yeah.
There's sports card GT inside.
Where was it?
I don't know.
You go with that one further, he's happy with that one.
Oh, yeah.
It's a copy of it.
The big one, that's what they like. Where is your sports car GT?
I don't know.
Look at that.
Nice. Brooklyn. Oh, she's a Philadelphia Flyer? I didn't know that. All right, we set her on a course. She's going to be playing in the NHL. Careful.
Steven, slow down. Don't wind him up. Grandpa, Rob, Ian, and Keegan. Thanks a lot for getting me this poppycock stuff.
Fred,
You got it
thank
for
you.
me.
That's
Look at that, your poppycock. You know what that is? What is it? Popcorn.
clock.
Oh, is that a nice shirt you got? Where'd you get that shirt? No numbers on it.
Oh, but you got the,
What are you gonna do?
you got the 9, the 12, the 3, the